Hey, green screeners, you better not green screen on my video, because you can't, or else I'll picnic you and I'll delete you off of YouTube. Okay? I'm gonna make this sound. If you use this sound, I'll let you green screen. But if you don't use this sound, I'm not letting you green screen on Steak's channel or mine or Carter Duff or my Whitney's channel. She's my best friend. You better not green screen on her videos or mine or Steak's video or Carter Duff. I watched that guy before. I'm gonna subscribe to this channel right now.